Smell is one of our most powerful senses, yet we often take it for granted. It can remind us of the past, warn us of dangerous situations, or even guide us to food. But did you know that animals, too, rely on smell to navigate their world? Welcome to the fascinating world of gross science, a place where while poop, puke, and bugs might seem gross, they are vital players in the cycle of life. Animal droppings, for example, are rich in nutrients and help fertilize the soil, making it possible for plants to grow. Decomposing logs and curiosity drives the study of gross science, and it helps us understand the processes that power the world around us. Take decay, for example. Why do things rot? What happens to food when it goes bad? And why do we find mold on bread, but not on everything? These natural occurrences are all part of a bigger cycle. As things break down, they provide nutrients for new life to grow. Worms in the soil, for example, turn organic matter into rich compost that plants need to thrive. The more we understand these processes, the more we realize how essential they are for life on Earth. Scavengers are nature's cleanup crew. While we may find it unpleasant, the work they do is essential for the health of ecosystems. Vultures, hyenas, and other scavengers feed on dead animals, preventing harmful diseases from spreading. In doing so, they maintain the balance of nature. Without scavengers, the environment would quickly become overwhelmed with decay, and dangerous pathogens would take hold. These creatures may seem gross to us, but their role in nature is one of the most important in keeping our planet healthy. Even the gross can be beautiful if we look closely. The delicate design of a spider's web, shimmering in the sunlight, is a testament to nature's artistry. And then there's the vibrant fungi that grow on decaying wood, turning brown logs into stunning works of art. These seemingly unpleasant things play a vital role in decomposition, breaking down organic material into nutrients. That mold might seem like an unsightly guest on our food, but it has a hidden secret. It's the source of penicillin, one of the most important antibiotics ever discovered. Without mold, we wouldn't have this life-saving medicine. Similarly, worms and other small creatures play a major role in breaking down organic material in the soil, turning it into fertile compost that plants need to grow. So, the next time you see mold, don't just think of it as something gross, think of it as something that helped save lives. Mold might seem like an unsightly guest on our food, but it has a hidden secret. It's the source of penicillin, one of the most important antibiotics ever discovered. Without mold, we wouldn't have this life-saving medicine. Similarly, worms and other small creatures play a major role in breaking down organic material in the soil, turning it into fertile compost that plants need to grow. So, the next time you see mold, don't just think of it as something gross. Think of it. Gross science helps us appreciate the complexity of ecosystems. From forests to oceans, from decomposing logs to the soil beneath our feet, everything is connected. In each ecosystem, gross things like decaying plants, waste, and scavengers play vital roles in maintaining balance. Without these processes, life would not be able to continue. So, when we look at a decaying log or a muddy forest floor, we should see the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. Every organism, big or small, bacteria, though microscopic, are some of the hardest workers in nature. In the soil, they break down dead plants and animals, turning them into nutrients that plants can use to grow. Without bacteria, decomposition would take much longer, and the soil would be far less fertile. These tiny organisms are the unsung heroes of the natural world, working tirelessly beneath our feet to keep the ecosystem in balance. So, next time you think about bacteria, remember that they're not all bad, they're essential to life on Earth. Maggots might make you cringe, but they are another example of nature's cleanup crew. These larvae are crucial in breaking down decomposing bodies, feeding on dead mushrooms are another fascinating part of gross science. These fungi thrive on decaying organic matter, breaking it down into smaller pieces that nourish the surrounding environment. While many mushrooms are delicious, others are vital in recycling nutrients in the forest. ensuring that plants and trees have the resources they need to grow. So, the next time you see a mushroom, remember, it's not just food, it's part of nature's cleanup system. Landfills might seem like the ultimate place for waste to go, but even in these human-hate environments, decomposition is happening. Bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms work tirelessly to break down the waste, recycling it back into the earth. The next time you see a landfill, remember that even in these spaces, nature is still working its magic, slowly transforming what we discard into something useful. All the things we've seen today, from mold to maggots, from mushrooms to bacteria, work together to create a thriving environment. Just like a compost pile, all the gross things in nature come together to create something beautiful. Nature's recycling system is always at work. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to be notified first as soon as our next video uploaded. Sokran!